So ax squared plus bx plus c form of the quadratic equation, we call it, this is standard form. Do you remember this standard form? So a is number in front of x squared, and b is number in front of x. C is without any variable, it's a c. So a, b, c is a number here, right? And then among those, a is very important. We call it this number, we call it coefficient. We call it coefficient. Among those, this a, we call it leading coefficient. Okay, leading coefficient. So I'll tell soon what does that mean. Okay, first let's find ABC. I put the 0 there, and then A. So A here, this number in front of x squared, that's A, right? So in this case, -2. And B, -4, right? -4. C, I don't see it here, that means you can say 0 there, right? So C is a 0. ABC, that's first thing you're going to do, right? Because it's standard form, then we write it ABC first. And now, number 1. And then A is very important. So leading coefficient, this is a first, whether A is bigger than 0 or smaller than 0, cannot be 0 because 0 is not quadratic. So when A is bigger than 0, which is positive, when positive, graph should be starting from top and goes like that. You draw a graph like that roughly and you say open upward, right? We call it, because here open upward, you're gonna write it like that. And when this is negative, starting from bottom, like that, then this open downward. Everybody got it? So in this case, A is -2, so it's negative. A is smaller than 0. The graph is something like that, and open downward. Everybody got it? Okay, and then one of the very important is graph quadratic is like that or like that. This point, we call it, this is the vertex. Vertex is the most important for the quadratic. So you don't find that? We did that. This standard form. Number 2. Let's write vertex here. Vertex, find x. Do you remember formula? X. Yeah, -b/2a. This one you need to memorize. Until you memorize, whenever you find it, you write that first. And then we're gonna plug in a. You copy everything except the b parenthesis, a parenthesis I, then negative. Don't forget negative. It was there. And a is what? -2. I'm gonna put a -2 there. Oh no, a is b. We need to write b first. B is -4. So -4 here. A is -2. So write here -2. So we calculate that. Negative become +4. Negative times 2. This is product -4, right? That's become -1. So vertex x value -1. I put it here. You know, to find y value, all the time you know x value, then you plug that in back to the original. So what I'm saying, after you find x value, put that one is -2 square there -4. Instead of x, I just changed it to parentheses. I just copied it, right? And don't forget, you should put -2. Some of them, they put it -2 here and then just +2. Then wrong. -2. That's why I put the parentheses. You need to put also the -2. Everybody clear? And first thing you need to do, not multiplying. First, parentheses first, but nothing you can do here. Then exponent you need to do first. Exponent first. Let me later. Yeah. Okay. So -2 times -2, that become 4 plus 4. Don't forget, -2 times -2, right? That's a square means. That become 4. 4 times -2. 1 negative. -8 here. Oh, yeah, -8. And this is what? Yes, and then this is +8. That should be 0. Let me think. Oh, it was 1, not 2. So it was 1. So I was wrong. Yes. So x value negative 1, so I need to plug negative 1. So negative 2 square, negative 4 times this. Now x value negative 1, I need to plug negative 1 here. So if I make say like that, then you get it wrong. So you did first this, negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1. Times negative 2, that's negative 2, right? And minus minus become plus 4. So that means positive 2. So vertex is negative 1, comma 2. Everybody got that? Okay. Let's find the y-intercept first. Do you remember? Y-intercept, let's do number 4, y-intercept. Y-intercept is y value when x equals 0, right? Y value when x equals 0. In this case, you put the 0 here, you put the 0, everything will be 0. Then y value is 0 too. So y-intercept is 0. But here, 0, 0, oh, C is y-intercept. Standard form is C is y-intercept. Okay? So this is C is a 0, right? Y-intercept, we can say it directly like that. And with that, let's draw the graph locally. Sketch that. So negative 1, comma 2, negative 1 here, 1, 2. This is a vertex. And 0, comma 0 right here, that's y-intercept, right? And because it's a curve, shape is like this, right? And then this top point right there, this vertex right there. So I'm going to draw it like this, right? And then, because this one will be axis of symmetry, so this one's symmetry using symmetry left, right, you make same, you draw this way. And then this line recorded, this point is negative 1, comma 2, right? So any x value is negative 1. So equation of this x equals negative 1. But that one you can find right away from here. If you know the vertex very important. You should, both of them should be right. Otherwise the following you're going to be wrong. So 3 x of symmetry, x value negative 1, right? That's x equal to negative 1. You need to write x equal. So as you see, this line x equal to negative 1 is symmetry line, x of symmetry. Clear? Right? And if we draw sketch the graph, right? We did sketch the graph right there. And now, this graph is like this, right? As you see, this is a maximum. Can you see that? Graph is like that, it's a minimum. But graph is like that, maximum, right? Maximum, minimum, we are talking about y value. So maximum y value is 2, right? So max, this in this case, no minimum, maximum 2. Maximum is 2. Everybody clear up to that?
Because it goes up to, right?
Yeah, up to 2. Y value up to 2. So maximum is 2. And domain range, domain is possible x value. It's keep on going like that, then x can be keep on going this way. X keep on going that way too. So domain is all real number. But range, as you see, this is maximum, then every value, y value should be smaller than equal to that. So y is smaller than equal to 2. That's range. Everybody got that?